to another episode of Honda Street Garage. What an incredible weekend. All of the shift knobs sold out at npcmotorsport.com in 3 minutes. They had been completely wiped out in 3 minutes, and that is just completely mind-blowing, super exciting, just, you know, completely humbled as to never thought that something like this would take off. So it's super exciting. Thank you guys so much for picking up a shift knob if you didn't get one. We're working on maybe trying to put in another production run. We're going to see how that goes. So thank you all so much. That's so exciting. If you want to help support the channel and you weren't able to kind of get a shift knob, the hoodies are now back on sale at teespring.com. They are $29.99. You can't beat it. Go check those out, and there's a ton of colors in them and different sizes, all the way from small to 5X, ship anywhere in the world. With that being said, today's video is all about the hybrid racing shifter install, so check it out. Ta-da! So here we have the beautiful hybrid racing shifter installed with the center console around it. It actually fits amazingly well. The only thing that you have to kind of get rid of is the cup holder, which I'm kind of bummed about, but oh well. And then pretty much, if you notice, you can kind of cut it almost to where the half point is on this. You can see I'm still kind of working on it. However, I'm still working on the centerpiece in the center, but I may just leave it exposed for what it is because it looks great with this bloody guts, blood red hardware, hashtag free bleeding over here. Alright, so this is what we're starting with. We have the shifter completely removed with all the console and everything removed. This car was once an automatic, so they drilled some holes already, which I don't think are correct. But, so we're going to take this hybrid racing shifter plate, place it over, get it right where it fits nice and snug. We're just going to drill down. Seems like this nice flat spot. Drill straight down, drill some holes. Good to go. Throw some bolts in there. You're ready to go. So let's get started. All right, we got 2 down, 2 to go. One of the best things about using this hybrid racing shifter plate is that even if you don't have the hybrid racing shifter, it'll actually mount up a stock shifter box. No problem. The mounting points are exactly there. So even if you don't have the shifter, you can actually just use this to make it super simple. You'll actually be able to utilize the stock shifter and then upgrade later on. These 2 bolts obviously screw into the existing stock shifter locations, so it's just 2 bolts that screw into there. And then you have to drill 2 holes on the front here, put the bolt through, and then tighten a nut on the bottom. Yeah, so now that we have the shifter plate all installed, the only thing left to do is to drill a hole for the cables, which I will be doing on another day. But obviously, it's pretty easy to use a stock shifter box if you want to, but clearly we are not using that. Got the HSG shift knob here. Tighten them down and we're good to go. So now we're going to put the center console in, just show the nice fit and finish of it. So I need to get in here with some clean wipes and really chop it up. But for the most part, this is pretty much all you need to cut, I think. Step 1. Get the e-brake out of the way. And it sits in there just about perfectly. So you can see the 2 screw holes are lined up. Fits in there nice and neat. We'll get the other ring piece around, but I mean, just as a shifter. But just as a shifter, it's not that invasive, so you get to keep your center console. It's one of the reasons why I really like Integras over the EGs. I couldn't keep that center console, so with this one, you can. It's one of the benefits that I like about it. And of course we can fit the armrest in here. Nice clean fit and finish. Now I have this piece here that should go over it. However, it is one of those USDM Type R carbon fiber pieces. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut it up. I might post it up on Instagram and sell it. Who knows? So just put the final piece in there. It's not all screwed down because I still may need to take it out when I install the cables. It's going to be later, but even with the ashtray and the cigarette lighter, it all fits in there pretty nice, and it just almost looks factory. Almost close. But yeah, I love the fit and finish of this. It looks phenomenal, especially with the chicken pox with the red MPC hardware in there. So that wraps up the shifter install. Beautiful piece, fits in there perfect, even with the center console in there, just looks amazing. And of course I dressed it up some of the MPC red hardware that's going to be all throughout the build. So big shout out to Hybrid Racing. Go check them out at hybridracing.com. They actually have a really great website with a repository of information that you can just ask them questions, and they're pretty much a one-stop shop for anything that you might need as far as swapping an engine and Honda or Acura. So in other news, I did a poll on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at MarkMHSG. I put a poll up there the other day asking if I should bring back the daily upload of dumb shit, and 94% of you guys said yes. So I think I'm gonna do that. At least I think I can do it for the month of December. It's gonna be one of those vlogmas type of things. As goofy as that is, there should be a video tomorrow and for the rest of the week. So stop back by and see if there's another video. Hopefully I can keep up with it. Also go check out the other channel I've been helping out, which is 100 Proof Official. Go give them a subscribe and check out their videos. In other news, we're almost at 100,000 subscribers. We're at 99,840 subscribers, and when we finally hit 100, we can do something a little bit special. So we'll do a giveaway or something like that. Super excited about that. Thank you guys for all the support. There should be another video tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Keep living your dreams.